Hi friends, welcome to Mom and Daughters channel. Today I made one chart for you. This is physical features of India. Just once you see the picture, this is India map. These are physical features of India. In the north part we have mountains. Those are, we will call it as Himalayas. From north part of India to, these are extended up to northeast. And here I purposefully I did not keep these mountains because these are here, these Himalayas are extended to this part. This part is Nepal and this part is Tibet. But I am going to show only about India. Because of that I am not showing here. And after behind this or below this Himalayas, or to the south part of the Himalayas, there are northern plains. It extended up from Punjab to Assam. See here, Punjab to Assam. And there are two coastal plains. Those are eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. These eastern and western coastal plains are extended from Gujarat to Kanyakumari, and in the eastern side these are extended from West Bengal to Kanyakumari. So how many plains are there? There are three plains. One is northern plains and two coastal plains. Those are western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. And one more feature. What is that? This is peninsular plateau. I think all of you know what is peninsula. All three sides water and one side it is connected to the land. It is called peninsula. So in peninsular plateau we have so many plateaus, seven plateaus. But in these seven plateaus there are three most important plateaus. That is in the south side Deccan Plateau, and in the middle Chota Nagpur Plateau and Malwa Plateau. And one more feature is there, that is desert. This desert is in the western side of the India. This is starts from Gujarat, some little bit of Gujarat part, and in Rajasthan, and it extends up to Punjab. Islands in the eastern side. And one more feature is there, that is islands. Here in the eastern side Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In the western side of India we have Lakshadweep Islands. These all are the physical features of India. Now in detail, means about Himal mountains, coastal northern plains, coastal plains, plateaus, deserts and islands. We will discuss in detail about all these things. Now we will discuss first about Himalayas. Himalayas. The Himalayan mountain range extends from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. And also it extends from Nepal and China. The Himalayas are classified into three types. First one is the Greater Himalayas or Himadri, and the second one is the Middle Himalaya or Himachal. The third one is the Outer Himalaya or Shivalik. Now first we will discuss about the Greater Himalayas or Himadri. These are the Greater Himalayas. These are Greater Himalayas or Himadri. The highest among the three regions, it is located extreme north. It is located extreme north. Himadri is home to glaciers. I think all of us know what is the meaning of glaciers. Glaciers means huge and slow moving masses of ice formed through snow buildup on the mountains. I think all of you understood what is glaciers. Huge and slow moving masses of ice formed through snow buildup on the mountains that are originated glaciers that are the origins of rivers, such as the river Ganga. Here in the Himadri, here the glaciers are there. Here the origins of river means Ganga will start from these glaciers, and Brahmaputra, that is from here. Here Tibet is there. So from this Tibet, here we in the Tibet we have Himalayas. In from that Himalayas, the Brahmaputra river is started. Here in the Tibetan place, Tibet, one Himalayan mountain is there. That mountain is having the highest peak over the world. That mountain name, can you guess? That is Mount Everest. And from the Himadri, here there is a one highest peak in India. India is having highest peak of mountain, that is Kanchenjunga. Now next, I said before only the Himalayas are classified into three types. Now we discussed about the greater Himalayas or Himadri. Now the second one is the middle Himalaya or Himachal. It is located south of the Himadri. It is house for forests of pine and deodar trees. This is south part here. Trees. Himachal has this one, south. Himachal has many hill stations such as Shimla, Darjeeling and Nainital. I think all of you know here Himachal Pradesh, that is Shimla and Nainital and Darjeeling. The next, third one, the outer Himalaya or Shivalik is the lowest in height among the three. It is full of forests and rich in wildlife. Now we discussed about all three Himalayas. I think all of you understood what are Shivaliks. Shivaliks are comparing with the greatest Himalayas, that is Himadri and Himachal. These Himalayas are less in height. Their peaks are very less and they are very short. That's why we will call it as hills. Now, what are the uses of the Himalayas? Himalayas protect our country from the cold winds that blow from Central Asia. Himalayan forests are important to various industries. And in this Himalayas there are two ranges. First one is the Karakoram range and Purvachal. Second one is the Purvanchal hill ranges. First, before going to discuss about this, first we should know what are ranges. Ranges means what? Ranges are nothing but a chain of mountains. Ranges means a chain of mountains are called ranges. Now the Karakoram range. These mountains lies towards the northwest of the Himalayas. I think all of you understood this. This is Karakoram range, northwest of the Himalayas. It is located beyond river Indus. The range is home to Mount Godwin, Austin or K2, the highest peak in India and the second highest peak in the world. The highest peak in India is K2 and the K2 is the second highest peak in the world. Then what is the first one? First one is Mount Everest. Now, what is the life here? How the people will live here and who all are living, what they will do, what is their occupation. Now we will discuss about that. Before going into the topic, first I want to tell about these Himalayas are extended from where to where. Now these are extended from Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Darjeeling and a few parts of Arunachal Pradesh lie in the Himalayan range. And Ladakh and the Karakoram mountains also lie in these Himalayas. Now we will discuss about the life. The people are engaged in terrace farming, sheep rearing and wood carvings. I think all of you know what is terrace farming. Terrace farming means not our terrace. Terrace farming means farmers cut terraces or steps along the mountain slopes. Here they grow variety of crops such as rice, maize, potatoes, barley and etc. And Purvachal hill ranges. Next one is Purvachal hill ranges. First one is Karakoram hill ranges. Now Purvanchal hill ranges. These are lies in the northeastern part of India. This is the northeastern part of India. They are also known as the northeastern hills. These hill ranges are not located at a very great height. Means comparing with these Himadri mountains, these hill ranges are very less. Their heights are very less. These hill ranges are not located at a very great height. These Purvachal hill ranges location we will see now. These are located in northeastern states of India. Those states includes Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, Mizoram, the eastern part of Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. So what the people will do? What is their occupation? What is their occupation? Farming and weaving. People grow crops like rice, maize, potatoes, ginger, oil seeds and pulses. They also grow various fruits, namely bananas, oranges and pineapples for selling purposes. This is about all three ranges of Himalayas and also about Karakoram range and Purvachal range. These are about the mountains. Now we will discuss about northern plains. Now after the Himalaya mountain ranges, now we will discuss about the northern plains of India. Towards the south of Himalayas lie the northern plains in India, from Punjab to Assam. A number of Himalayan rivers flow through these plains. They carry water all through the year. So, what are they? These rivers bring silt, sand and tiny pieces of rocks. The silt deposited by the river is quite fine in nature. It is called alluvium. It makes the land fertile. Alluvium is good for the cultivation of crops. And now we will discuss about the three basins of the north. A basin is an area of land surrounding a large river. It is watered by the river and its tributaries. I think all of you know what are tributaries. Tributaries means in Telugu we will call Upanadulu. The northern plains are formed by three rivers, that is Sutlej, Ganga and Brahmaputra and their tributaries. River Sutlej starts in Tibet from here. Which river? Sutlej river will start from Tibet. Its main tributary is Base. The Sutlej river basin consists of Punjab and Haryana. River Ganga begins from Himalayan glacier here. From the Himalayan glacier, the Ganga river will start. And its main tributary is Yamuna. Ganga flows through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. What is the life here in the northern plains? The people, how they will live. Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam are situated in the northern plains. Most people here are engaged in farming. They grow rice, wheat and sugarcane. In the northern plains, the people will grow rice, wheat and sugarcane. Now we will discuss about the coastal plains. I think all of you understood about the Himalayan ranges and the northern plains. Now we will discuss about these coastal plains. How many coastal plains are there? There are two types of coastal plains, that is eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains. Between these coastal plains are between the Eastern Ghats and the eastern coastal area, and the same like the east western coastal plains. Western coastal plains are between the western coastal area and the Western Ghats. These western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains are located between the Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats. The western coastal plains are situated between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It stretches from Gujarat to Kerala. The Gujarat, Konkan and Malabar coasts lie in the north, Middle Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. The eastern coastal plains are situated between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. It stretches from the West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. The northern part is called the Northern Sarkars. These are Northern Sarkars. And the southern part is called Coromandel Coast. I think all of you understood that point. The northern part. These కోస్టల్ ప్లెయిన్స్కి నార్థన్ పార్ట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఆ నార్థన్ పార్ట్లో ఉన్న ఏరియానే మనం ఏమని పిలుస్తాం, నార్థన్ సర్కార్స్. అండ్ ద సదరన్ పార్ట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ద కోరమాండల్ కోస్ట్. ద టూ కోస్టల్ ప్లెయిన్స్ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ గుజరాత్ అండ్ వెస్ట్ బెంగాల్ రెస్పెక్టివ్లీ. Both the coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. Now, in the coastal plains, how the people live there? The two coastal plains spread over some part of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. Most people are engaged in farming and fishing because here the plains are there, because of that they will depend on the farming, and here the oceans are there, because of that they will depend on the fishing. Mainly rice and coconut are grown here. These plains have numerous parts that are used to export and import goods. So I think all of you understood about all these physical features. Friends, today we discussed about these Himalayan ranges and the northern plains, coastal plains we discussed. In next video we will discuss about Indian deserts and about the plateaus and about the islands. Because it will be too lengthy, because of that I am making it as second physical features of India part 2. So thank you for watching my video, and next video will come for that also you see and learn about the physical features of India. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.